Samsung Galaxy Awesome Unpacked event unfolded with a bang as they introduced their latest A series devices. Awesome is for everyone is the tagline to the Galaxy A series. The idea that tech should be accessible to every average human being and the idea that these devices are accessible to average users as the goal and a motto. I guess Samsung took a page from the Lego movie for this one.
Everything is awesome.
We hear the Awesome is for everyone song,
Awesome screen, awesome camera, long-lasting battery life,
which is upbeat and layered throughout the event. Let's jump straight into the main course, which of course is the introduction of the two new Galaxy smartphones, A52 and the A72, both featuring quality quad cameras with 64 megapixel sensors. Optical image stabilization was brought back for these devices for smooth videos and smooth pictures even during low light with the night mode feature. Super steady camera mode will become the standout feature on this device, no doubt. Single take pictures can give you up to 9 different views, be it pictures or videos, in one long shot. A72 has 3x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom and 32 megapixel front-facing camera. The Pro mode for videos and pictures have also been introduced. Fun mode has been introduced in collaboration with Snapchat, which is very unique to A52 and A72, using native lens filters for fun and creative shots. One UI integration with One UI 3.1. We get better connectivity within the Galaxy devices. One of the features I liked was the share music without sharing earbuds, which is a cool feature on the One UI update. Next was the set of expansions to the Galaxy ecosystem with the new updates and features. Samsung puts their foot down on building the community, introducing some share features and group features for the Samsung users. There are 4 colors to these devices with a very seamless camera bump that looks more pleasing to the eyes, and toned down colors looks much better with some of the other Galaxy gadgets you would have around you. 800 nits brightness is the brightest in the A series, and both of these devices have the 800 nits brightness. Samsung claims a 2-day battery life. The intelligent battery mode ensures that the device goes on a low power mode, conserving your energy. A52 has a 4500 mAh battery and the A72 has the 5000 mAh battery. Both of them sport the 25-watt fast charging. Stereo speakers are seen for the A series Dolby Atmos based setup. Both these devices are 5G devices, by the way. IP67 rating is another interesting feature. We see that it can handle submersion of the device underwater 1 meter deep for up to 30 minutes in fresh water, just in case you were wondering. Samsung Knox security has been stressed upon again, as always, emphasizing that Samsung wants its users to feel protected and safe. 3 generations of Android OS updates have been assured. These were the price variants revealed in euros, but it's hard to tell what the Indian pricing would be. But don't worry, all you need to do is stay up to date by following our socials provided down below. We will let you know when it hits the market and you can get it straight from our Purvika stores. And that was our breakdown of the event, guys. Let us know what you think the price of the Galaxy A series devices would be down on the comment section. And we will see you guys on the next one.